is my pleasure to welcome all of you to this ceremony today to install Dr. Jeffrey Gold as the 9th President of the University of Nebraska System. We are fortunate to be able to gather here in the People's House on this important day for the University of Nebraska and our state.
You know, being the 9th President of the University of Nebraska System is one of the most humbling experiences of my entire career and personal life.
He has a drive to be the best. He has a drive for the university to be the best. The university has a certain ability to do things today. It'll be better tomorrow with him in the lead. It'll be better the next day, and he wants to make sure that it always achieves the greatness that it can be.
This day is surely not about me as an individual, but is a celebration of our great university system, a recognition beyond doubt that we are and will always be of, with, and for the people of this great state.